Hello students, welcome to all your scholar classes. So hope you are doing well. You all are fit and fine. Today we are going to discuss about the revised syllabus for CBSE 9 Science for session 20 and 21. Okay? So please remember the syllabus is only for the session 20 and 21. So today's video is very important because you all must be waiting for the new syllabus, for the revised syllabus, and you must be eager to know all those topics that you have to skip for your final exams. You don't have to study. Okay, so CBSE board has reduced syllabus for class 9 to 12. In this video we will be discussing for class 9. Okay, so there is a reduction, about 30% reduction is there in the whole syllabus, and some of the chapter has been deleted, and in some chapters there has been a lot of topics removed, but in few chapters no change is there. Okay, so almost 30% of the syllabus has been reduced. This is going to reduce the burden of exam on you. Okay, so in this video we will discuss about the revised syllabus for class 9 science. Other classes revised video has also been uploaded on our channel All Scholar. Just go through it. If any of your relatives, any of your siblings are in class 10, the class 10 science syllabus has been also uploaded there. Okay, and the link has been given in our description box. Please find it. Okay. So before starting, I would like to tell you that All Scholar has taken a big step by developing its app so that our students can study safely from their home. Okay, so if you are interested, if you want to study safely, just go in our app whose link is given again in our description box. Just click the link and go in the app. We know that our students are facing lots of problem in studies because of this COVID-19 lockdown. So we have got a very good videos by our expert faculties, science and maths, all videos we have got. So you can go and join. You can also join our live classes that are delivered by our expert maths and science teachers. Okay, so in this video let's discuss without wasting any time all the changes that have been made for CBSE 9 science class. And again I am telling, this syllabus is only for 20 and 21. Okay, so just take out your NCERT book, hurry up, फटाफट अपनी NCERT book लीजिए और along with me just mark the topics that you don't have to study for your final exams. Okay, so let's see. Keep your NCERT book and pencil ready and mark along with me. So we shall be discussing chapter wise. You can see in the first column I have named all the chapters. From chapter 1 we are going to start. In column 2 I have made the topics that are being removed from 20 to 21 syllabus. Okay, so if we talk about the first chapter, matter in our surrounding, almost whole of the chapter has been deleted. Okay, so here you can see definition of matter, solid, liquid and gas have been deleted, characteristics, that is their shape, volume, density has been deleted, all the changes of states of matter, absorption of heat, freezing, evaporation, cooling by evaporation, condensation and sublimation. All these effects have been removed. So you can say that almost whole of our chapter is being removed. Okay. So is matter around us pure? There is no change in the syllabus. You have to study all of them. And the video of this chapter has been already uploaded in our channel. So just go through the link. The link has been provided in the description box, and please study this chapter thoroughly. A very nice, descriptive and in a very good manner way the video is provided. Okay, so next let's come on chapter 3. I hope you must have noted it down. definition of matter, solid, liquid and gas, characteristic, shape, volume, density, changes of states of melting, absorption of heat, freezing, evaporation, cooling by evaporation, condensation and sublimation. Okay, so next move on. Chapter 3 and chapter 4. As you can see, chapter 3 atoms and molecules, chapter 4 structure of atoms. Very important chapter in chemistry. There has been no change in the syllabus. Okay, so you have to study full of the chapter. It is very scoring chapter, and if you don't know about atom and molecules, you are not going to understand chemistry. So it is a very good decision that this chapter has not been deleted. Okay, so you have to study whole of the chapter 3rd and chapter 4. Next, move on chapter 5, the fundamental unit of life. There is no change in the syllabus. So the fundamental unit of life, as we know that it deals with the cell, the basic unit of life, it is of which all the animals and plants are made. So the study of the fundamental unit of life is very important. अगर fundamental unit of life ही हमें नहीं पता होगा तो we can't understand the further chapters. So it is very good decision that this chapter has not been changed at all. You have to study whole of them, and this chapter has been beautifully expressed in our channel. You can go, just click in the description box, you will find the link. Good video is there on this chapter, you can go on it. Tissues, again there is no change in the syllabus. Diversity in living organisms. This was a very big chapter. This chapter 7, diversity in living organisms. It was a big chapter, but it has been deleted fully as it is very confusing chapter and as it was a very hard chapter. So it was a tough for students to remember this. So just note down that chapter 7, living diversity in living organisms, has been deleted. Okay. So next. Chapter 8, motion, there is no change in syllabus. Chapter 9, forces of laws of motion, no change in syllabus. Chapter 10, gravitation, there is a change in the syllabus. Some of the topics have been removed. Thrust and pressure, just note down thrust and pressure, that is the Archimedes principle. Buoyancy and elementary idea of relative density, these topics have been removed. I am just holding for a second. You please note down these topics that have been removed from gravitation. Okay. So moving forward, work and energy, nothing has been deleted, no change in the syllabus. You have to study whole of the chapter. Okay. Chapter 12, sound. And the whole of a chapter, almost whole of a chapter has been deleted. Okay, so if you will go for nature of sound and propagation in various media, speed of sound, range of hearing in humans, ultrasound, reflection of sound, echo, sonar, structure of human ear, auditory aspects only, these have been deleted. So many of the topics from this chapter has been deleted. In fact, you can say that sound has been deleted almost. Okay, so just note down about chapter 12, sound. Now next comes chapter 3, why do we fall ill? Sorry, chapter 13, why do we fall ill? No change in the syllabus. The whole of the chapter is remaining as we are suffering from the virus, coronavirus, COVID-19. So we should also know how to maintain our health, how we should live that we should not fall ill. So this chapter has been very important for this time. This is the need of time. Hygiene, how we can maintain our hygiene. So chapter 13 has not been deleted at all. So note down for chapter 12, sound, that these topics have been deleted. Next, if we move on, natural resources, chapter 14, there is no change in syllabus, but the chapter has gone in internal assessment. Means in the final examination, it is not going to come, but in your internal exams, in your internal test, it is going to come. Then the last chapter, that is chapter 15, improvement in food resources, it is almost completely deleted. Okay, so plants and animal breeding and selection for quality, improvement and management, uses of fertilizers and manures, protection from pest and disease, organic farming. So all these have been deleted. In fact, you can say the chapter 15 has been almost deleted. Okay. So let's have a look again, a quick look of the chapters, of the topics that have been deleted. So chapter 1, matter in our surrounding, just note down. Definition of matter, solid, liquid and gases, characteristic, shape, volume, density, characteristic of state melting. All these have been deleted. Okay. Next, if we move on, chapter 7, diversity in living organisms, the full chapter has been deleted. Just note down chapter 7. Next, if you go on chapter 10, gravitation. In this, thrust and pressure, Archimedes principle, buoyancy, elementary ideas of relative density has been deleted. Next, if you move on chapter 12, that is sound, almost the chapter have been deleted completely. So the nature of the sound and its propagation in various media, speed of sound, range of hearing in humans, ultrasound, reflection of sound, echo, sonar, structure of human eye, all these have been deleted. Next, chapter 14, no change in syllabus, but it has gone in internal assessment. It is not going to come in the final exam. And after that, chapter 15 is almost deleted, improvement in food resources, just note it down, plant and animal breeding and selection for quality improvements and management, use of fertilizers and manures, protection from pest and disease, organic farming. So this was, we have talked about CBSE science syllabus for class 9, the revised syllabus. We have seen all those topics that have been deleted or the chapters that have been reduced. Okay, so here is a short screenshot of our app, e-learning solution CSCS. The link of this app is given in our video in the description box. Just go through it and enjoy the video sessions, live classes, PDF notes and MCQs. So thank you so much. Thank you for watching my video, and if you like my video, please give a like button, and if you have not subscribed our channel yet, please do subscribe it. So thank you.